bought something. This is for my chargers. It's just $2.
If I never opened up my door,
I'm excited to see my first nephew-in-law. This elevator has a chair. Just gonna film the floor. Rudai. His name is Rudai. You also have katsudon, right?
Oh.
Myself, katsudon. Itadakimasu. That my father-in-law gave me when I and Yuta just got married 2 years ago, and I rarely use these. Don't look at me. Don Quixote, Don Quixote, Coca-Cola. It's so good. You should try. Beautiful view. That's Don Quixote. We were there a few minutes ago. We got some food that my sister-in-law gave us this afternoon. This one.
It's okay?
Oh, yeah. That's
Careful, yeah, chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Oh, trying to finish up this one. We're going back to the station. And we're going back home. Ah, Takashimaya. Yeah, Takashimaya is a very high-end shopping mall. They also have in Singapore, in Vietnam.
Torimero.
It's an izakaya.
They are like Miraya.
Miraya.
Ah, not Miraya.
Miraya Shoten? Bookstore.
I forgot that we
bookstore.
always. Ah, Miraizaka.
Miraizaka, where?
We always go to.
Tokyo?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Alright, let's go inside. Thank you. Kanpai. It's so big. Oh, we're gonna drink. Actually, these two are Yuta's, but I'm just gonna try. So we are in another izakaya. Not izakaya.
鮮度美味しい。
あ、藤勝。
ありがとうございます。